Serene Meadows Resort. Greenery and peace are the cure to increase our lifetime by 50% more. Serene Meadows Resort, located at Karamadai, a 1-hour relaxed drive from Coimbatore city with a tranquil atmosphere. It's a home away from home. Take a break and rejuvenate yourself with clean greenery lawn, roomy home, and auditorium space for fun blasts on reunions, birthday parties, workshops, and corporate team outings. Time to scale up your schedules with memorable moments. The luminous place for a leisure fun chat with basking movie time. Clean and spacious bedrooms for deep sound comfort cozy sleep, accommodating a single group of 3 to 25 members at a time. The perfect place for nature buffs staying connected to nature with mountain view treetop dormitory rooms. The well-ventilated scenic dormitory rooms suitable for all age groups. Ample space for children, place to engage the kids with a private swimming pool to tone up your muscles and revamp your inner potential. A hygienic and healthy food to stay energetic while enjoying the day with retreats, short trekking, bird watching, and a campfire. Have we ever thought about the ways to implement the stress bust? Serene Meadows, a serene place for a complete group out.